Ugh.
That was a big sigh, Vanessa. Everything okay?
Honestly, Bob, I'm looking at my schedule, and I told myself I would go to the gym today. I promised myself, but I just don't want to. I really don't want to.
Ah, the struggle.
Yeah, it's that heavy feeling, you know?
I know it very well. It's that feeling of, I have to do this, but my brain says no.
Exactly. And I know a lot of you listening right now feel this exact same way about English. Maybe you look at your textbook or that app on your phone and you just feel tired.
Heavy.
Yeah, heavy. You feel guilty because you aren't studying. You think, why am I so lazy? Why can't I just be disciplined?
Actually, that's the thing. We think discipline means fighting yourself. We think it means suffering. But what if it didn't have to be that hard?
What do you mean?
Well, to be honest, willpower usually fails. We get tired. We get stressed. What if we could just trick our brains?
Trick our brains. I like the sound of that.
Yeah, there are some ideas, actually, from a book called Atomic Habits that changed how I see this. It's not about trying harder. It's about making it automatic.
Oh, I love that. So, if you are listening to this and you feel like your English is stuck, or you feel bad because you missed a few days of practice, take a deep breath.
It's okay. You aren't lazy. You just need a different system.
If you're learning English and you want it to feel less stressful, stay with us. So, Bob, when we talk about learning English or doing anything difficult, what is the biggest mistake we make?
I think it's the all or nothing mistake.
Oh, totally. Can you explain that?
Sure. It's like, okay, imagine it is January 1st, New Year's Day. You say, this year I will study English for 1 hour every single day.
1 hour? That is a lot.
It is. But for the first 3 days, you do it. You feel great. You are motivated.
You feel like a superhero.
Exactly. But then, on day 4, you have a headache, or you work late, and you miss a day.
And then the guilt comes.
Yes, you think, oh no, I broke the chain, I failed. So you stop completely. You go from all to nothing.
I think we have all been there. I do this with diets all the time. I eat one cookie and I think, well, I ruined it. I might as well eat the whole box.
I mean, that sounds delicious, but yes, it's a trap.
Listeners, is this you? Do you try to study for a huge amount of time and then quit when it gets hard?
It's normal. It's actually just human nature. We rely on motivation. But motivation it's like the weather.
It changes every day.
Right. Some days it's sunny, some days it rains. You can't build your English on the weather. You need to build it on just being you.
So, we need to stop trying to be perfect.
Yes, perfection is the enemy of progress. We need to be sneaky. We need to trick the brain into liking the work.
So, Bob, you're the calm guide here. You always seem so disciplined. Do you actually struggle with this?
Oh, definitely. Actually, I have a story about this. It's a little embarrassing.
Tell us, we're all friends here.
So, a few years ago, I really wanted to learn to play the guitar. I bought this beautiful acoustic guitar. It was expensive.
Nice.
Yeah, and I told myself, Bob, you are going to practice 30 minutes every evening after dinner.
Sounds like a good plan.
Ideally, yes. But to keep the guitar safe, I kept it in its case, and I put the case in the back of my closet behind my winter coats.
Oh no, I see where this is going.
So every night I would finish dinner, I would sit on the sofa, and I would think, I should practice guitar. But then my brain would say, ugh, you have to get up. You have to open the closet. You have to move the coats. You have to unlock the case.
Too much friction.
Exactly. It felt like so much work just to start. So, guess how many times I played that year?
5 times?
Maybe 3.
Oh, Bob.
I know. I felt terrible. I thought, I'm just not musical. But then I read about this idea. Make it obvious.
Make it obvious?
Yeah. So I took the guitar out of the closet, I bought a cheap stand, and I put the guitar right next to my sofa, right in the middle of the living room.
So you couldn't miss it.
I couldn't ignore it. I would sit down, look at it, and just pick it up. I told myself, just play for 2 minutes.
Just 2 minutes?
Just 2. That's the trick. Anyone can do 2 minutes. But once I started, I usually played for 20.
That is huge.
It changed everything. I wasn't relying on willpower. I just changed my environment.
I love that. You know, for English learners, this is so important. If your English books are hidden in a drawer, or if your English app is on the last page of your phone screens,
You won't do it.
you won't do it. But if you put a sticky note on your bathroom mirror with one English word,
Or leave your English book open on your pillow.
then it's easier to do it than to not do it.
Exactly. You want to make English the path of least resistance.
I can feel some listeners thinking right now, is it really that simple?
It feels too simple, right? But the brain is lazy. We like easy things. So be kind to your brain. Make English easy to reach.
Mid-episode check-in, everyone. If this story feels familiar, if you have an English guitar hidden in your closet, hit the like button. It helps us know we aren't alone in this. Okay, Bob. We used some really good, natural expressions in that conversation. I want to look at them again because they are perfect for talking about habits.
Let's do it. No grammar rules, just how we use them.
The first one you used was all or nothing.
Ah, yes. All or nothing. It describes a situation where you either do 100% or 0. There is no middle ground. Example. I have an all or nothing personality. If I can't run 5 miles, I won't run at all.
Which is a bad way to be. Be careful with that one. Okay, the next one I loved was burnout. We talked about motivation burning out.
Yeah, to burn out. It means to lose all your energy because you worked too hard. Like a candle that has no wax left. Example. If you study for 5 hours a day, you will burn out in a week.
Don't burn out, guys. Slow and steady. Bob, you also mentioned friction. This isn't just physics, is it?
No, not here. In habits, friction means anything that makes a task harder or annoying. Like the winter coats in front of my guitar. That was friction. Example. I want to reduce the friction, so I put my running shoes by the door.
I love that word. It makes you sound very smart. Okay, last one. You said the path of least resistance.
This is a classic. The path of least resistance is the easiest way to do something. Water always flows down the path of least resistance, and humans do too. Example. After work, watching TV is the path of least resistance.
So we need to make English the path of least resistance.
Exactly. See? You're already using it.
Bob, this has been such a good reminder for me, honestly. I think I'm going to stop beating myself up about the gym.
Yeah. Don't beat yourself up. Just put your gym shoes where you can see them.
Simple tricks.
Listen, if you are listening to this and you feel like you are bad at English because you aren't disciplined, please stop.
You are not bad. You are just fighting against your human brain. and that is a hard fight.
Try one small thing today. Just one. Put your phone in English mode. Or put one book on your table.
Make it obvious, make it easy, and be nice to yourself.
You are doing better than you think. Every time you listen to us, you are winning.
We are so proud of you for showing up today.
We really are.
If you liked this episode, please subscribe and leave us a comment. Tell us, what is one small trick you use to learn English?
I'd love to read those. Maybe I can use them for my guitar.
Good luck, Bob. And to you listening, see you next time.
Bye, everyone.